Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Yang Jiaxin and you may call me my English name Mikey Vance. And I'm a professional Chinese translator with over 6 years of dedicated experience in bridging the communication gap between English and Chinese. So if you now are looking for a translator who is not only accurate but also deeply understands the cultural nuance, deadline-driven, and also a reliable long-time partner, then you have come to the right place. And now I'm thrilled to have this opportunity to introduce myself and my services to you today. So what have I been doing for the past 6 years? I have to say that my journey has been both diverse and focused. I have built my experience by working on a wide array of projects. Specifically, I also have substantial experience in the certain fields. The first is technical and manufacturing fields, including translating complex manuals and some specifications for industrial equipment. I just ensure that every technical term is precise and accessible for our target audience. So the second sector that I have to say is the medical and pharmaceutical sectors. My work involves handling the sensitive and high-stakes some documents like patient information leaflets and pharmaceutical marketing materials. And so accuracy here is not only a requirement, it is also a responsibility I have to take very seriously. And so another field that I have talent for is e-commerce and games localization. I help brands and developers connect with a massive Chinese-speaking market. So it's not just the translation, it's about adapt the message, the product's description, as well as the in-game dialogue to feel native and engaging to local users. So throughout my career path, I have collaborated with a lot of clients, ranging from the startups to established corporations. So which has taught me how to adapt to different brands' voices and project requirements efficiently. So now you might wonder, how do I ensure the quality of my work and ensure that I can handle it to you in time? So, well, I have to say it's all about a structured process and the use of right tools. So my workflow typically follows these steps to guarantee a smooth sailing. The first step is initial analysis and glossary development if needed. For every project, I first analyze the text to understand its context, audience, and specific challenges. So if needed, I also create a custom terminology glossary to ensure consistency from the very first words. So the second step is to make efficient translation with CAT tools. So what is CAT tools? That is computer assistant tools. I have to admit that I use this kind of tools such as MemoQ or Doubao, which is artificial intelligence published by ByteDance, a prestigious entrepreneur in China. But I have to say these tools are game changers that not only just translate for me, they help to maintain the consistency across the projects and manage translation memories for me and significantly boost efficiency. So the third step is a step that I have to show my initiative. So once the initial translation is done, I will put my editor's hat And after a short break, I will revisit the text with fresh eyes, and I will focus in on fluency, style, and culture appropriateness. It's about making sure that it doesn't just read like Chinese, but thinks like Chinese. So the final step is also very crucial. It's called the final quality assurance. So before delivery, I run a final check by using tools to catch any minor mistakes of the documents, including some minor inconsistencies, formatting issues, as well as some mixed punctuation. It's that final polish that makes all the things difference. So this meticulous process allows me to consistently deliver high quality work while respecting the deadlines. Okay, so based on this experience, I can offer a range of services tailored to your needs. The first is localization for apps, websites, as well as some games aiming to capture the Chinese markets. Yes, and the second service I can offer to you is proofreading and editing. My work is to polishing existing translations to perfection. Yes, and the third thing I can do is professional translation. Yes, from standard documentations and marketing copies, and even some novels and poems. I have to say that as an INFP, I'm very sensitive to words, and I'm very glad to translate some thin materials which have some literacy values for you. So what I bring to the table is more than just words. It's a professional attitude, a commitment to the deadline, and a promise of every delivery support. And I see every project as a partnership of myself. So why should you choose to work with me? Because you are not hiring a translator, you are gaining a dedicated communication partner due to the fact that I have 6 experience in this field, so I have likely to encounter difficulties you now may facing. So, and I'm also passionate about helping ideas flow seamlessly across cultures. Yes, and for my personal characteristics, I'm responsive, easy to communicate with, and available for long-time collaborations. So, and I know the fact that hiring a freelancer based on trust. So, and I'm committed to earning and keep the trust with you. Okay, and thank you for your time today. I'm truly excited about the possibility of working with you and contributing to the project's success of you. So, if you want to start a conversation or you have a document that you need me to take a look, please feel free and just contact me through Subwork. And I can offer a small sample translation for new clients just to help you to feel confident in your choice. So I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.